Hello and welcome to this Prisma tutorial. My name is Frederick, and in this video I will explain how to create an over-the-counter secondary trading proposal on the platform. Navigate to Transport and then Secondary Trading. In the top right corner, you can then start the process to create your proposal. First, you need to select the network point at which you want to trade capacity. Now, you need to select whether you want to offer capacity for sale or request to buy capacity, and, if you selected a bundled network point, if you want to trade a bundle contract or combine two unbundled capacity contracts for a trade. In step 3, you need to select the preferred trading procedure, in this example OTC, over-the-counter. An over-the-counter trade means two shippers have bilaterally agreed on a trade and simply want to use the platform to register and publish their bilateral trade. In an OTC trading procedure, there is just one buyer and one seller. Both parties are known to each other. Both price and the conditions of the trade have been agreed upon by the parties in advance and cannot be changed after the deal was published on the platform. Next, you need to decide for a transaction type, assignment or transfer of use. Transfer of use means that all financial obligations towards the TSO remain with you. This means your trade counterparty will pay you the agreed fees and you will pay the TSO directly, so you are basically subleasing the capacity. An assignment, on the other hand, means that you'll assign all rights and responsibilities, including the financial obligations, to your counterparty. This involves more effort on the TSO side, which needs to be taken into account regarding the trade lead times. We have a separate video about lead times, which I will link down below. Now you need to select your counterparty. If they have agreed to have their name published on the platform, you can simply find them in the counterparty drop-down menu. If not, you can still find them by entering their EIC code in the second field. The counterparty's email addresses need to be entered to inform your counterparty that you created the OTC trade. After you have read the TSO's trading notifications, you can select the capacity amount, the runtime, and enter your price for the capacity trade. This is what you are receiving or offering as a premium on top of the fees of the underlying contracts that need to be paid to the TSOs directly. Then you define the expiration date of the offer. The expiration date needs to be before the beginning of the minimum lead time of the TSOs to make a trade possible. As mentioned before, please refer to the separate lead times video for more information. Now you need to select the trading conditions you want to apply to the trade. Prisma provides an FX standard contract, but you can also upload your own conditions via the New Conditions button. Pressing Save and Continue brings you to step 4, entering the capacity details. First, you can select where you acquired the capacity. If you have bought it on the Prisma platform, either on the primary or the secondary market, you will be shown the available underlying capacity contract IDs in the next field. Select one and the remaining fields will be automatically filled by the platform. If you choose to manually enter the capacity information, you will need to fill all required fields manually. At the end of the page, you can write a comment to be shown with the offer. After pressing Save and Continue, you will be prompted to accept the involved TSO's terms and conditions, and if you have not subscribed to Prisma's automated remit reporting service, you're made aware of the remit reporting regulation. Finally, you can either save your proposal as a draft for later use, or press Save and Submit to publish the offer. Please be aware of the following. You can always withdraw your offer as long as no one has replied to it, but you cannot change it at any point. If you made a mistake along the way, you would have to start over with a new proposal. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the Prisma customer care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.